Ever wondered why life insurance exists? Spoiler. It's not about you, it's about protecting your family and their lifestyle when life hits hard. What's up, fam? Welcome back to Insurance Hacks America, the channel where we break down insurance without the confusing jargon or pressure tactics. Today we're talking about what a life insurance policy is, why it matters, and how to make it work for your life, your budget, and your family's security. 1. What a life insurance policy actually is. A life insurance policy is basically a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay premiums, and in exchange, the company guarantees a death benefit to your beneficiaries if something happens to you. Think of it as a financial safety net that keeps your family covered when life throws curveballs. Example, if you're 30, earning $60,000 a year, a life insurance policy could replace your income, pay off debts, cover your mortgage, and help maintain your family's lifestyle. It's not just about money, it's about giving your loved ones security, peace of mind, and the ability to keep things running smoothly even if you're not there. Life insurance turns uncertainty into protection. 2 types of policies there are. 2 main types of life insurance policies you need to know: term life and whole life. Term life covers you for a specific number of years, like 10, 20, or 30, and is usually much cheaper. It's perfect for families who want protection during the years they need it most, like while paying off a mortgage or raising kids. Whole life provides coverage for your entire life and often builds cash value over time. It's more expensive and is sometimes sold as an investment, but the returns aren't always great. Choosing the right type depends on your goals, budget, and family needs. Most people start with term life for simplicity and affordability. 3. Who needs life insurance? Life insurance isn't just for a select few, it's for anyone whose absence could create financial stress for their loved ones. Parents need it to replace income, cover child care, and fund education. Partners rely on it to pay bills, mortgage, or maintain lifestyle if one income disappears. Homeowners benefit by ensuring the mortgage is covered so the family keeps the house. Business owners use it to protect partners, cover loans, or plan for succession. Basically, if someone depends on your income, support, or contributions, life insurance is a must. It turns uncertainty into security, giving your family a safety net if the unexpected happens. For key terms to know, understanding life insurance means knowing the key terms. The death benefit is the money your beneficiaries receive when you pass away. The premium is what you pay monthly or annually to keep your policy active. Your beneficiary is the person or people who get the payout. Make sure this is updated and accurate. Some policies, like whole life, also have cash value, which is a portion of your policy that grows over time and can sometimes be borrowed against. Knowing these terms helps you make smarter decisions and ensures your policy actually protects your family the way it's supposed to. 5 final tips when it comes to life insurance. The smartest move is to compare quotes from multiple companies. Don't just go with the first offer or flashy ad. You could be overpaying for the same coverage. Make sure you understand your coverage needs, including income replacement, debts, and family responsibilities. Choose the right type of policy: term life for affordability and simplicity, or whole life if you want lifetime coverage and cash value. Take your time, ask questions, and focus on what actually fits your situation and goals. A well-chosen policy protects your family without breaking the bank. That's it for today, fam. If this video helped you finally understand what a life insurance policy is and how it protects your family, go ahead and smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay locked in with Insurance Hacks America, where we break insurance down without the confusing fine print or sales pressure. Got questions, need clarification, or want a topic covered next? Drop it in the comments below. I read everyone. Thanks for watching, stay smart with your money, and I'll catch you in the next video. Protect your family, stay informed, and don't get played.